Project KAIMANA is a build born for open skies and winding back roads. A soft-top Defender 90 reimagined with modern power, artisan craftsmanship and unmistakable E.C.D attitude. Wrapped in Porsche dark blue metallic, this D90 blends British heritage with a refined, contemporary edge. Zermatt silver accents, X-Lander details, and 18-inch Sawtooth wheels bring a crisp, tailored finish to its iconic silhouette. Under the hood, a GM LS3 V8 breathes new life into this classic. Paired with a 6-speed automatic, it delivers effortless acceleration and smooth drivability, both on the pavement and beyond it. A terra firma suspension kit, vented disc brakes, and stainless steel exhaust elevate performance without compromising the Defender's rugged spirit. Every component is renewed, refined, and built for real-world adventure. Inside, Project KAIMANA trades utilitarianism for bespoke luxury. Cognac leather, hand-stitched in a diamond pattern with nutmeg thread and brown piping, wraps every seat and surface, turning this soft-top classic into a warm, inviting space to explore from. A leather-wrapped Puma dash, custom center console, and a Vanda wooden steering wheel layer heritage charm with modern comfort. With touchscreen CarPlay, heated seats, USB charging, and remote start, this Defender is ready for daily drives or weekend escapes.